Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. Hi, I'm Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I want to talk to you about PayPal. Specifically, I just want to make sure you know how to find a couple things within PayPal, just in case it's helpful, and then talk about some of the things that I see happening. So first, this is my PayPal account. When I go to reconcile my PayPal account, I need to get my statement. So to get my statement, I'm going to go to Activity at the top of my screen. Under Reports, I'm going to go to All Reports. On the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Statements. I'm then going to select Monthly, and I'm going to download the PDF of whatever I need. So in this case, I'll just grab the PDF for September. If for some reason my PayPal is not connected to my QuickBooks or I'm having issues, whatever the case is, I can also request and download a CSV. But I really just wanted you to see how to get to your statement, so we're going to work with the PDF. So let me open it up for you. So this is my PDF statement. Let me go to the next page. So the first page is telling me I had during this period, the only currency I worked with was USD. During this period, I had this money in and out and etc. Again, more summary information. What I really do is I come down to the nuts and bolts of what was happening, and I look at my PayPal transaction history, which is what you see here. I can see the money that comes in and out based on the positive or negative values. I can see any fees deducted, and then I can see the net of what is happening within my PayPal account. I think this is useful because sometimes we forget that when we're working with PayPal, it's like a bank. It holds money, I can spend money, I can deposit money, I can do any variety of things with it. I use my PayPal statement just like I would any other bank statement. If it appears on my PayPal statement, I'm going to mark it off in my QuickBooks or whatever accounting software that I'm using to reconcile. I want to show you something different just in case this is not helpful and not what you're looking for. There are some times that what I need to know is like in the current month, what is happening? Because sometimes PayPal is going to show me a general account hold or a currency conversion. Maybe it downloads some of my data, but not all of my data. Sometimes it's just helpful to see my PayPal account with a running balance down the side. So I find that it takes just a few extra minutes to find that. Whereas if I were to go to my online banking at Bank America or Wells Fargo or RBC or anywhere else, I can see a running balance down the side. So let's try to find that within my PayPal account. Kind of in the middle of the screen and toward the bottom, I'm my recent activity. So I'm looking at my recent activity and I'm like, well, this is really nice, but I would like to see my balance. I know that right now I have a balance of $0, but like, what's been happening? So let's click on activity, including balance and fees. When I do that, I get this. So this is my activity. It's my date and payment to, payment from, transfers, like all this good stuff that's happening. But I still don't see a running balance. At no point on here can you see, do I have $0 in the account? Do I have $65 in the account? Like, we don't know. So this I find to be marginally frustrating. Let's change our view. So right now we have, it says balance view, all transactions. Yep, I'm definitely asking for a balance view. Let's see what else we can find. Let's go to all activity perhaps. No. No. All currencies, past 30 days, past 90 days. Nope. This tends to be kind of frustrating. Let me click download because maybe the balance will appear if I were to download this. So my options are all transactions completed and balance affecting. Let's go balance affecting. My date range, I'll say I want the last month. We'll do a CSV format. So we'll create the report. All right, so it's available for download. So let's download it. This is the one that I'm just now asking for, not the ones I was trying to find the other day. So I've got the gross, I've got the fee, I've got the net. I still don't have anything with the balance. Let's go to the far right. Oh, here we go. Now I have a balance. I know that this feels like a lot of work. I'm just going to hide all these columns because we don't need them. The reason that I like to do this is because I sometimes get frustrated. Something isn't working when I go to reconcile my PayPal account. And there's stuff, right? There's the currency conversions and the general account holds and just other stuff. And I really need to know, of the things that I'm looking at, which of those things changed the amount of money that I had in my PayPal account. So if I have this report, and I'm just going to highlight what I need, I've got the dates. Oh, let's try it again. I have my dates. I have the name, useful. Then I have gross fee, net, and balance. So these are all the things that I need. My PayPal is very simple. I really hardly ever use it. You can see that I hardly ever use it. But I want you to imagine that I'm taking payments from customers and there's a fee deducted because PayPal takes a fee, which they should. And then sometimes I buy something, just every so often I buy something using my PayPal account. If I have the ability to see my balance, I have the ability to see, I can match this one-to-one with my register in QuickBooks. So what I really wanted you to see here is here's two different ways to get information out of your PayPal account. Because if you're trying to reconcile your QuickBooks account or you're trying to review it, you're trying to see what's going on, sometimes it feels overwhelming and silly and frustrating. And what you really want is just give me a log of all the things, show me what my running balance is, and then I will match it one-to-one with what I see in the computer, and I'll figure out, did something download by mistake? Did something not download at all? It's just really nice to have this information at your fingertips if you need it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. If you need to reach out to us for any reason, my team and I are available at gentlefrog.com. Thank you so much.